This video features standard and gourmet cooking steps for Singapore chili crab LaMian. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current LaMian is now sporting a brand new look. Explore our other flavors in the range. What's unique about our Singapore chili crab LaMian is that it features non-fried, thick, round and straight noodles as good as handmade, with a smooth and firm noodle texture with good standing quality. The soup base is made with our complete sauce. Singapore chili crab LaMian is a premium noodle dish served in an aromatic, sweet and spicy seafood sauce with real crab stock that's good for creating gourmet meals. In this video, we will show you how to prepare the standard and gourmet version in a few easy steps. Here's what you need for standard cooking steps. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Add noodles in boiling water and medium boil for 7 minutes. Step 2. After 1 minute, loosen the noodles and stir occasionally. Step 3. At the 5th minute, add both packets of cooking sauce. Mix well and cook until the noodles are evenly coated with the sauce. And there you have it. Singapore chili crab LaMian is ready to serve. Next, we will show you how to prepare gourmet Singapore chili crab LaMian. Here's what you will need to prepare gourmet Singapore chili crab LaMian. These are some of the recommended ingredients to create a gourmet meal. You may also add ingredients of your choice. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Add noodles in boiling water and medium boil for 7 minutes. Step 2. After 1 minute, loosen the noodles and stir occasionally. Step 3. At the 5th minute, add both packets of cooking sauce. Mix well and cook until the noodles are evenly coated with the sauce. At 5 minutes 30 seconds, add crab meat. If using crab claws, add them at the 6th minute. At the last 30 seconds, add spring onion. You may add in some sliced red chilli for a spicier dish. Lastly, add oil and mix well. And there you have it! Isn't it easy? You can now indulge or serve a delicious plate of gourmet Singapore chili crab LaMian anytime, anywhere. We will now show you how to clean and prepare crab. Step 1. Soak the crab in ice-cold water until it stops moving. Remove from water and clean the crab thoroughly using a brush. Step 2. Add salt to water. Stir until salt is completely dissolved and pour over the crab. Steam for 15 minutes. Once done, remove the crab. Step 4. Remove crab shell and trim off the gills. Step 5. Deshell the crab and it's ready to use. Check out our website for more cooking videos.